So,
This needs an arc.
for tonight's challenge, we must draw
Johnson.
right there. It's gonna go right there, and it's just gonna be a
Wang.
and it's gonna be in focus. Yes.
Focus tape.
This is no easy challenge because I don't understand this drawing system at all. It is so ridiculous. It like generates G-code for you, but you gotta tell it so many numbers. So I just drew some straight lines after Randall just drilled that cool pattern. Don't know how he did that, but I did that, which is pretty cool. And so I challenged him to a
Wiener.
drawing competition.
A big one.
Nut.
Okay, so material is 1.5 inches, so they're gonna have to be like your size. So
1.5 inch.
Hot salty nut.
They're upside down.
That's a sad ball. Sad day for all balls. They don't hang up.
Dang it.
They hang down, bro. Oh yeah, remember the special tab.
Especially
That's it.
oh, mirror.
Repeat and mirror.
Let's try mirror.
Oh fuck. Yeah. Hey. Oh, but it's not on the part now.
All right, so the offset needs to be 1 inch.
We making progress?
They look like boobies, not balls.
Oh. I mean, I guess we could draw the whole thing upside down. No, I want to see a proper on the screen that it's right side up. Work harder. Hey.
I like
That's a
that.
respectable little nut. We have it saved. It'll be here forever, so just do it right.
And then we can put dicks on it.
Oh. I didn't even think about that. All right, come back to you when we have 2 nuts.
1 hour later.
Just need to squeeze those
Getting
balls together.
getting so much closer. Oh, looky there, we got him. We got him, boys.
We got right side up titties.
All right, let's keep going.
And then we'll tie that to...
Whoop. Can't see it. Oh. I
whatever.
kind of like it.
Whatever. Okay, so now we do just special. We're gonna repeat. Oh wait, no. We want to mirror.
Okay, so maybe instead of a vertical line, we just have a little horizontal line right there. Kind of doesn't look aerodynamic for some reason. To my eye, that's all I'm saying. It's almost there. Yes. Okay, moment of truth. Here it goes. 3-phase, 3-phase. Oh, looky there.
It almost looks as good as the drawing.
He did it. I like how there's like a teardrop on the end of it. Kind of just gives it that art feel. Hang on, I got an idea. go put it on the race car. I like to find things that are a little distracting for the drivers behind. So, I mean, I got that dick over there. We got this dick over here. Alright, let's do it. Done.
Okay, just so every mama out there knows. This is where I keep the little penis. I made it Velcro. I take this thing off every time I trailer the car around. It's not that big of a deal, it's just a little tiny penis. Everybody just needs to relax. Just a little tiny penis. I keep in the door of my truck. Just right there. Nobody notices it. It's just. This is number 36. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.